So now I'm going to introduce ourselves. My name is Victor, absent 36.
I am Renata, absent 8.
I am Raja Absent 29. Today we will sing our song. 1, 2, 3.
Cut,
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 cut, cut.
put, put, put. Hit, hit, hit. Shot, shot, shot. Let, let, let. Set, set, set. All the verbs are just the same. Bring, brought, brought. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Reach, thought, thought. Think, thought, thought. Fight, fought, fought. Second and third are just the same. Sing, sang, sung. Drink, drank, drunk. Begin, begin, begin. Write, brought, written. Go and gone. Beg, got, begged. First, second, third are different. First, 1, 2, and 3. Learn them all so easily. Regular, irregular, English verbs are so easy.
Thank you.